Hi, this is Brian from Mingo, and this is a quick video on how to install your Mingo gateway. So the Mingo gateway looks like this. It's a very small industrial PC, and you'll notice on the bottom there'll be two labels. One will be labeled Internet, one will be labeled Machine Network or DXM. The port labeled Internet is an Ethernet port that needs access to the Internet, and this is what we use to communicate to the Mingo cloud. The other port is designed to connect to your machine network if they are physically separated. In some cases, the network may be the same. Your internal network and where we get internet access from may be the same. So to connect the server to the internet, you just plug in the Ethernet cable to a switch that has access to the internet, right? And then we provide power. So the power cable is right here. So we plug in our power cord, and the gateway should come online automatically. You know it's on by the white light right here, and then when it boots up, you'll also see flashing lights on the Ethernet port. And that's it. It should be up and running. One other thing to know is that you can DIN rail mount these. So if you wanted to mount it to a wall somewhere or put it in a cabinet, you can. It comes with a nice DIN rail mount with it, and you just screw that in here and then snap it on your DIN rail. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support.